Welcome to the AFOQT Test Prep online lesson series. In this video, we will go over 15 questions on instrument comprehension for the AFOQT test. To practice more, download the AFOQT Tutoring app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Questions are focused on your ability to do assessments and determine an aircraft's position in flight by reading the artificial horizon and the compass. Candidates must be able to assess instruments and their readings, including compass heading, climb or descent, and banking to the right or left. This is a sample question shown on the right. You have to determine which one of the four airplanes is most nearly in the position indicated by the two dials. This is a sketch of artificial horizon. When the index is centered, the aircraft is not banking. If the index moves left, the aircraft executes a right bank. And if the index moves right, the aircraft executes a left bank. If the nose of the miniature aircraft is above the horizon, the aircraft is climbing. If the nose of the miniature aircraft is below the horizon, the aircraft is diving. And if the nose of the miniature aircraft is on the horizon, the aircraft is on level flight. This is a sketch of a heading indicator. This instrument indicates which direction the aircraft is heading. Now let's practice the questions. While I am showing you the questions, you may pause the video on each question to try it by yourself first. Question 1. When the index is centered, the aircraft is not banking, and the nose of the miniature aircraft remains on the horizon, indicating level flight. The aircraft is heading north and maintaining straight and level flight. The answer is C. Question 2. The aircraft executes a left bank as the index on the right side while its nose is on the horizon, indicating level flight. It is heading north. Therefore the answer is D. Question 3. The inverted yet centered index, the horizon-aligned nose, or the consistent northward heading, the aircraft is in straight and level inverted flight. This means that the answer is A. Question 4. The aircraft is flying straight and level, with no indication of banking, as shown by the centered index. The miniature aircraft's nose is positioned right on the horizon line, suggesting it is maintaining level flight. Its current heading is toward the northwest. This indicates that the answer is D. Question 5. The rightward shift of the index confirms a left bank maneuver. The nose of the miniature aircraft is below the horizon, indicating a descent, and the aircraft is oriented toward a westerly heading. The answer is C. Question 6. As indicated by the centered index, the aircraft is in level flight with no bank. The miniature aircraft's nose aligns with the horizon, suggesting a steady altitude, while its heading is southeast. This matches option D. Question 7. The aircraft is not banking, as indicated by the centered index, but it is inverted. The nose of the miniature aircraft is aligned with the horizon, confirming level flight despite the upside-down orientation. The aircraft is heading southeast. The correct answer is A. Question 8. With the index deflected to the right, the aircraft is executing a left bank. The position of the nose below the horizon shows it is descending, and it is currently on a southwest course. Therefore, the answer is B. Question 9. The index deflected to the right shows that the aircraft is in a left bank. The nose of the miniature aircraft is below the horizon, indicating a descent. The aircraft is currently heading northwest. This indicates option B is the answer. Question 10. The leftward position of the index indicates that the aircraft is performing a right bank. Despite the banking maneuver, the miniature aircraft's nose remains on the horizon, showing that it is maintaining level flight. The aircraft is heading east. The answer is A. Question 11. The aircraft is turning left, as shown by the index shifted to the right. Its nose remains on the horizon, which means it is in level flight. The current direction of travel is toward the west. This tells us the answer is D. Question 12. The index position to the left shows that the aircraft is performing a right bank. The nose of the miniature aircraft is above the horizon, indicating that it is climbing. The aircraft is currently heading northeast. The answer is C. Question 13. The centered index indicates that the aircraft is not banking. The nose of the miniature aircraft is below the horizon, showing that it is diving. The current heading is north. Therefore, option B is the answer. Question 14. The aircraft is performing a left bank, as shown by the index shifted to the right. Its nose is positioned above the horizon, suggesting it is climbing while flying south. Hence the answer is D. Question 15. With the index deflected to the right, the aircraft is executing a left bank. The nose above the horizon suggests a climbing attitude, and its heading is toward the southeast. All that means the answer is C. To practice more, download the AFOQT Tutoring app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. If you need one-on-one tutoring, you can request a skilled tutor from the link below.